celebrate cheeseburger time at McDonald's, Ronald was taking pictures of all his friends.
Okay, now smile and say cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Very good. Here's a cheeseburger for you. Hey, who's next? Susie. All set? Okay, smile and say
Cheeseburger.
very good. Here's a cheeseburger for you. You know McDonald's cheeseburgers are so delicious you almost have to smile.
Ahoy! How about a cheeseburger for me?
Oh no, Captain Crook, not till you learn to smile.
Oh, really? Watch this. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger!
He did it! Yeah! If you want something to smile about, just say cheeseburger at McDonald's.
In McDonald's land, the McDonald's. In McDonald's land, the McDonald's. In McDonald's.
Hey, Kim, what you doing? We're having a tea party. Look him under the Ronald McDonald. I've got one, too. Ronald and I are going to put on a show for Mom and Dad.
You can have your own little Ronald McDonald to play with, talk to, have fun with. Take with you wherever you go. Now, while supplies last, little Ronald McDonald at McDonald's.
Well, what have we here?
New McDonaldland Slap Happies. Just peel them off and press them down to make funny pictures of your favorite McDonaldland friends. There's a Slap Happy Hamburglar, a Slap Happy Mayor, and a Slap Happy Grimace.
How about Ronald McDonald?
In McDonald's land, the McDonald's.
Who's on McFavorite Hamburger Cloud? I'm off to McDonald's to see all the boys and girls. Have a nice trip, Ronald. Balloons! Thanks a lot. You're welcome.
Do you think Ronald will make it to McDonald's in time?
He always does, you know.
You really think he'll make it to McDonald's?
I hope so. Who's the McFriendliest fellow in town?
Great morning.
Sure is, Ronald.
Great morning for tennis.
Okay, Grimace.
There are the tennis rackets.
Here you are, Grimace.
Thank you.
You never forget how to ride a bike. That was fun. I think it's time for breakfast at McDonald's. Now McDonald's has lots of things, like delicious hotcakes and sausage. Say, Mayor McCheese, quite a fancy outfit. After breakfast, I'm going skin diving or skydiving. Something like that, you know.
Who's that?
That's the lone jogger. He likes McDonald's breakfast, too. Like delicious McDonald's hotcakes and sausage, you know. I hereby proclaim breakfast at participating McDonald's every weekend. Ronald McDonald.
Celebrate the holiday with McDonald's red, white, and blueberry shakes. Strawberry, vanilla, and our special blueberry flavored shakes. They're American as McDonald's hamburgers.